So welcome to Biology Parshala. Today's class is dedicated for NEET aspirant and the series is Karm NEET Biology Practice Series and the topic is digestion. So let's discuss about the question number 8. Which one of the following pair is not correctly matched? So here the vitamin B6 is not correct answer, that is the berry. Okay, so vitamin B6 for the anemia and the B12 for the pernicious amoeba. So remember this point. Question number 9, that is the cobalt as a rare element is essential in the synthesis of the thin vitamin. So student, cobalt is a very important and the chemical name of vitamin B12 is a cyanocobalamin. So the right answer is a vitamin B12. So remember this point. And vitamin B12 cause a pernicious anemia in the organism. Next question is, a deficiency of the tocopherol in the human body cause the condition, that is the infertility. This is a repeated question, student. So this cause the infertility and decrease the rate of fertilization in man. So remember this point. And the next question is, which of the following vitamin is needed for the formation of collagen? Collagen is important for the bones formation and give mechanical support for the bones. So this is a vitamin C. Vitamin C form a collagen and the body structure. So it is a very essential. The next question is, which of the following is not a water soluble? So water soluble vitamin is a vitamin B and C except all. So remember this point. So here the option correct option is vitamin K. So this is soluble in oil, we can say that, or a fatty oils. Next question is FAD is a part of the vitamin B2, that is a flavin adenine diphosphate. This is a part of vitamin B2. So remember this point. Next question is, a doctor advised a patient to be include a yellow foods, carrots and the butter in his diet. What disease do you think the patient suffering from? So this is a content of a resource of vitamin A and cause a night blindness. So remember this point. Question number 15. Gastrin hormone is secreted by the gastrin hormone is secreted by the stomach and play an important role for the gastro activity as a metabolic activity. So remember this point. And the next question is, the first process in the digestion and assimilation of fat is a emulsification. So the emulsification is a process where the digestion is completely absorbed and the assimilation process is start. So remember this point. And the next question is, niacin is deficiency leads to be a pellagra. Okay, so pellagra is the fact cause swell up the tongue and tongue part, and niacin deficiency leads to be a pellagra disease. So remember this point. Question number 20. A major population of India suffering from the anemia due to be a deficiency of. So we can say that anemia deficiency is basically Fe. Fe deficiency of Fe cause anemia in human, in we can say that organism, and this is a content of Fe or a iron content. Next question is, so the next question is, one of the cyanobacteria rich in vitamin B12 are carotenoids, iron and the other essential nutrition being used for the modern medicine as a nutritional supplement is that is a spirulina, a very prominent question, and spirulina is used in a different type of a medicines like a cancer, okay, lung cancer. So remember this point. So if you like this video lecture, then like, subscribe and share, and thanks to all students to watch this lecture. Keep watching and stay continue.